Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete GCash transaction history, right? So it's easy, but you have to follow the instruction very carefully, and you can just follow the same instruction if you're trying to do it over your Android phone, right? Now you have to just go to GCash Help Center here, right? Once you're here, basically now to delete your GCash transaction history, so here, if I just go and type here delete history, you will see there's a no any way to delete your transaction history, right? So basically, you can just view and download your transaction history, but there's no option to directly delete it. But there's a one option which is basically you have to chat with the representative, right? So you can just go and talk to a real human, basically the Gcash support here. Now here just type here, go to the chat section, and here you have to just type here chat with. So here you can see that if I just write here chat with the real representative, basically I have to create a ticket, right? So basically what happened trigger, you have to state each and everything that what problem you're facing, right? So it will open something like this. Let me just zoom out here. Now here you have to enter your email address, Gcash, register full name, then your phone number and each and everything. Now here you have to mention that you want to delete your transaction history and why it's important for you, as well as you can submit some screenshot here and click on submit. Now within 24 hours or after 24 hours, they will contact you through the email as well as through your phone number, right, to delete it. So the representative of Gcash can only delete your transaction history. You can't do it with yourself, and this is the only solution which can really help you. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.